What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's some Cardano news to get your day going. All right, let's get into the chart a little bit. Let's talk some Hoskinson. Let's talk some Hoskinson comments, and we will get you guys on your way as we look into some of the upgrades within Cardano as well. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure you all subscribe down below. We talk crypto and Cardano basically every single day right here on the channel. So make sure you guys all click that button. It's totally free to do so and join in on the action. Okay, but let's get into the chart. As always, guys, full disclosure, disclaimer, not financial advice. We are seeing ADA bouncing. Okay, so getting back up into this range where we've been consolidating is going to be crucial right here. Right here, you can see this dotted cross that I have highlighted in between these blue lines. You can see right here at around this 39 cents level. That's where I told you guys in previous videos that I knew that this downtrend that we were going to have would be short-lived. We just did flash momentum up within my trading indicator, so very good way to start the week for not just ADA, but all of cryptos really kind of copying this trend. So this is where I'm at the charts. Just want to share with you guys kind of how I'm playing it. But let's get into some talk about what's going on, okay? We have just some headlines within Cardano. Charles has shut down a critic about a tweet about the Mythro upgrade. Okay, this is where the actual quote would say, use light clients everywhere is basically the goal of Mythro. It's pretty cool, but we have already a 2-year advantage on certain competition. So that's kind of a cool thing to talk about because a lot of people are now getting that narrative. It's joking to most, okay, but there is that conversation if Cardano can challenge ETH down the road, okay? And basically, I don't like the term Ethereum killer, but that's what a lot of people are going to use in relation to ADA and Solana, all that good stuff. But within Cardano, it's something where it's definitely a long-term outlook for me, okay? Also, just responding to this critic where another one said that ADA is a, SHIT coin with zero value dumped by Hoskinson to deceive investors, and then went on to accuse Hoskinson of making enough fiat on Cardano to buy a farm and fly private jets. Okay, so sure, maybe he did that, but there's really no evidence, and you can't really go down that road and challenge somebody without some evidence and so on and so forth. But I'm not really sticking up for either side in this argument. I think that why not? If he did it, then yeah, call him out. If he didn't do it, still it's going to piss him off enough to breed some competition within Cardano and get him working. But I have read some things about behind the scenes what Hoskinson's been doing, and I kind of am on board with kind of this narrative now. It's just weird. I'm starting to develop a little more. I would say confidence. I know the price isn't running as much as we'd like to see it. We're kind of stale, stuck in the water, ghost chain, whatever you want to call it. But some of the things that I was reading about what he's doing, it just seems to be a little deceiving what you hear out there in the mainstream media. Okay. And then the last thing we'll talk about is kind of a couple day old article, but I do want to get into some of these numbers because it may not apply to right here, right now, but in days past and prior, this is something very important. Okay. So when we look into the weekend that we just got out of, Cardano, okay, is in rebound mode, and we've seen that where we got as high as 42 cents. We look at the chart right now, and that is Bitcoin's chart. Forgive me. We look at the chart right now. We are trading at around 43 currently, 42 and some change. I'm sorry, 43 and some change. But the big thing here is Cardano is reaffirming their lead in whale transactions. Okay, this metric has jumped 4.5% to 8.87 billion in whale volume, and Bitcoin is the only crypto that has been more than Cardano in that value outside of stable coins. So those are some of the numbers that we used to see when basically we had Cardano third in market cap, and that's something where whales are starting to go on a little bit of a buying spree when it comes to ADA. So that's always going to be good stuff. This is something where, as always, it's going to remain highly, highly volatile. But the next thing we have coming for us, guys, is what we're going within the Chang upgrade very, very shortly. Okay, so we're going to keep updates on this channel. We're going to see what happens live when that goes down, see what kind of impact we get. Hopefully not just a short-lived, sustained buy the rumors, sell the news event. Hopefully we get some more of a push out of that can really usher in that Voltaire era. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you all, and we'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.